Yakety yakety yak. Well, I was a singer too. You got to remember, I do like the stage. You know, one time somebody asked me, Norman, how did you become a lawyer? Kind of by accident, actually. I grew up in upstate New York, a small town called Binghamton, New York. My mother recognized early on that I had some talent for singing and actually doing some dancing, and I ended up at the University of Miami in the School of Radio, Television, and Film. I ended up getting a minor in radio and television and film and a degree in economics. I married my wife, Janie, who was from Ohio, and we went up to Cleveland and enrolled into law school. Once I got into law school, I realized that it was something that I just loved. And when I got out, I took the Ohio bar, and I came down and I took the Florida bar. The decision was an easy one. The decision to come back to Fort Lauderdale. The county and the city of Fort Lauderdale were considerably small, and there were a lot of people moving in. And so it afforded me the opportunity to be able to bring in business as well as some of the lawyers who had been here for a number of years.
Norman is probably the most emotional guy, most generous guy that you will over time meet.
Norman Tripp provides the heart and soul of this place.
Sometimes he doesn't come across that way, but generally speaking, he will be more generous, and he has spent more money on local charities and local benefits and people who just needed it to help those people more than anybody you will know.
Ready to start again? I was trying to think of entertainment, and I got into education.
He believes more in education than anybody else, as evidenced by the various roles he's had over the years in the Community College Board, the Board of Governors, his being appointed to the board at FAU.
It was his efforts that took this firm from a small law firm to a larger law firm, and the nature of the types of client services that were provided, him addressing particular concerns of large clients and growing with that client, not being afraid to grow with the client. As an example, Alamo Rent-A-Car. That type of growth and trust that he had with that client is something that every lawyer should aspire to with their clients.
With all of the opportunities that we have here in Broward County, and with the young people that are now employed as attorneys in this firm, and their ability to carry it forward, I think Tripp Scott will be here for another 50 years.